Okay, Assalamualaikum and good night. Macam mana exam tadi, okay? Okay ke okay? Okay ke okay? Alright. So kita ada assignment tu. Okay, assignment tu. So kita ada instruction and rubric. Okay, instruction and rubric. And then kita ada dia punya template assignment lah. So yang hari tu ada student dia tak buat ikut template lah. So saya tak sure macam mana nak bagi markah tu. Just ada graph and so on. Lepas tu kalau boleh jangan sebab saya print out you all punya assignment. So bila print out, siapa yang buat 2 page okey. Kalau yang panjang sangat tu, kalau dia buat screenshot macam tu, so macam quite difficult sikit lah kat saya. Tu je lah. For next
Dia tak tengok sama.
duduk kat tepi tu. Okay, so for the second task ni, you kena buat 2 page lah kalau panjang. Alright. So that senang saya print out tu. Yang PDF lah, paling penting PDF yang print out tu. Alright. Ada satu group tu dia tak tulis nama, nama pun dia tak tukar. Saya pun tak faham kenapa you all boleh buat assignment macam tu. Faham tak? Maksudnya dia hantar assignment tu bukan nama dia, nama orang lain. Ada juga macam tu. Boleh tak ni? Ke saya seorang je? Boleh tak? Kakak kat sana. Duduk sana.
Tak tengok sama.
Sabar je lah you all ni. Okay. Okay, next we go first. Okay, for the assignment tu 20%. So this assignment cover all the material taught in chapter 3 and chapter 4. So we have go through chapter 3 and we have already go through chapter 4. Just almost sikit lagi lah, just a few things in chapter 4. And I already managed to download data analysis for in my laptop. For the next class, I will show you what I want to show you for the Excel. But for the fundamental, I think I already cover what should I cover. But for the extra thing, which is for the Excel, a lot of things that you need to discover yourself. Alright. So actually this assignment two will use your data from assignment 1. Okay, you can read here. First, identify problem, state the research question, define the objective of the study, analyze the data, interpret and result and discussion, and then you make a conclusion. Okay, this is our CO lah. So that you to test CO2 in this learning outcome. So you should able to apply, analyze and evaluate the suitable method statistic inference for the given statistical problem in your future lah. Right? Okay, instruction. The most important one is instruction. Please follow. Because assignment 1, I see a few students not follow, but just a few. Make sure you follow everything. If not, you will lose a lot of marks. I'm not sure how to help you. hopefully you can settle out lah. Okay. Right, for setup team, 2 students from your class, and then for 2 students in one assignment. So you can work same partner from the assignment 1 or find a new team lah. It's up to you lah. And make sure you submit lah. Alright, make sure you submit. Okay, and then for the data, you can use the data set from assignment 1 if the data set is suitable for the assignment 2 analysis. If you want to use another data, you need to let me see lah why you want to change. Is it because of really not suitable with the assignment analysis? Otherwise, you need to find a new data set other than engineering statistical textbook. Please make sure the sample size is group qualitative variable at least 30 observation. To check the suitable data set assignment 2, please consult your lecturer. So that's why you need to consult with me lah if you want to. Really, the data set that assignment 1, we really cannot make the assignment 2 completely lah. So hopefully you are not change your data set lah. So easier to me. Right. Assignment title, create a suitable title for your assignment that reflect your purpose of your study. And then the poster template, ethic and originality. So submit a PDF poster. Yang ni pun still ada yang tak buat nama tu dia tak tulis nama dia. So macam mana tu saya nak consider kan. Dekat poster tu pun tak ada nama dia. And then Microsoft Excel also, you need to put your name so that I know because you have 86 students with my class. So hopefully you manage lah to make this this is a simple thing but very need your attention lah, because a few students not put this not put their name in the assignment and so on. So what will happen, I will deduct a mark lah, or I consider no submission. Alright. And then please make sure you not copy paste. Please understand this thing. So okay. Sekejap Okay, untuk test also ada juga yang meniru. Saya nampak sangat ada yang meniru sebab soalan lain, jawab lain. Dia jawab set lain. Saya pelik lah. So make sure you cubalah percaya pada diri sendiri, which is very good to you actually. Memang you akan rasa mungkin tak confident, mungkin sebab because of you selalu meniru. So itu yang menyebabkan you sebenarnya tak percaya pada diri sendiri lah. So actually once you percaya pada diri sendiri, you will have a lot of thing. You will have a good confidence lah later on. Maybe you struggle to get good mark, but you know what is your level and then you can improve. If not, you still in this stage with stagnant, maybe very worse after this, especially when you go to the work. Okay? So hopefully you are jujur lah. Jujur tu sangat penting lah. Okay? Dalam hidup ni insyaAllah you akan dapat something luar biasa dalam hidup you. Percayalah pada saya. Right. So first of all, the objective. Okay. Objective 5 variable. In this section, the state purpose of this study. So we have 2 part lah, chapter 3 and chapter 2. So you will divide these 2 part, and then so you will have 2 objective from chapter 3, 2 objective from chapter 4. So what is the difference between chapter 3 and 4? The difference is the variable in chapter 4 is more than 3 and more. Chapter 3 we have only 2 or 1. So that is these 2 objective. So proportion or means, that is one of thing lah that you can measure in the chapter 3 between what so we have 2 variable. So for the chapter 4, test the normality first, because if the data set is not normal, you need to use whisker 6 para punya testing lah, yang buat arrangement. You need to arrange that. I will go through again in this Thursday. Kuskar-Wallis, or if the data is not normal. If the data normal, so you straight away go to the ANOVA. So make sure you make a test first lah. The test the normality of the residuals, and then to investigate the analysis between whether there is a significant difference in between what. Right? So variable description from assignment 1. So we have, if you remember, part 1 analysis, we have proportion or mean, and then qualitative variable, category 1, category 2. So part 2 analysis, we have, if you remember, that assignment 1, I request for, okay, sabar. I request for 3 category at least. So this is the function for the 3 category, right? So you can make a ANOVA test, but make sure that is normal first, right? Okay, we stop jap. Right. So here, that's why he said here at least 30 observation, because of chapter 3. If less than 30 observation, you need to use t-test, if you remember. If greater or equal than 30, so you make the z-test. Boleh ke tak ni, ke saya cakap seorang? Tak dengar lah, kejap. Boleh tak? Boleh kot. Tadi saya macam dengar jugalah ada orang cakap. Alright.
Boleh kata.
Boleh. Alright, good. So we go next, macam biasa nanti kita akan go through balik lah. You all try buat. So kita tengok dia mencapai rubrik ke tak. So we have a method here. So you need to brief explain the statistical analysis method for chapter 3. Apa yang you buat, kenapa you guna benda tu, apa the reason why, so that dia mencapai lah kenapa you pakai method. For example, you pakai method z-test, the same mean ke or different mean ke, because of what? Because you explain lah benda-benda yang you tahu tu. And then for the chapter 2, the chapter 2 here, method apply to achieve the objective. What is you want to analyze. So you kena inform lah kenapa you pakai method tu, kenapa you pakai ANOVA ataupun kenapa you pakai Kruskal-Wallis. So one of the thing lah kat sini. So nanti kita tengok rubric, so for more details lah. And then result and finding. So we still have 2 part, which is part for chapter 3 and then chapter 4. So for chapter 3, you make this table, and then based on the result in table 1, interpret and explain this following lah. So based on the apa yang you ada, yang you dapat from the answer, you explain lah what is the significant level ni, apa perbandingan dia. Once soalan exam pun banyak ni, once you boleh buat benda ni. So CA test tu continuous CA2 tu, CA2 you will answer very well lah. You need to understand what is the output, what is the point, what is the meaning of significant level based on the situation. So that is the main reason lah. So if you do this assignment tu, you will able to it will help you to answer the CA2. And then the effect of explain the reason why confident interval ni effect. And then support evidence tak. And then actually I will go through for this Thursday also how to make a hypothesis that what should you write lah. And then conclusion from the hypothesis, test 3 and significant level using CM method. Apa yang you can conclude, apa yang benefit kepada orang yang, macam hari tu juga sebenarnya, apa benefit dekat user tu. Maksudnya siapa yang nak data ni, then kita boleh nampak dia punya benefit yang lebih baik. For example, contoh ayam lah, ayam, okay. Kita nak tahu significant difference ayam, production ayam ni. So kita main benda lah ni lah. So kita main significant level. Nanti kita besarkan significant level, atau kita kecilkan based on bergantung pada rejection area, because rejection area tu akan berubah bila kita membezakan. So nanti you explain lah nanti. So and then to population mean kat sini. So kita ada mean, yang ni proportion. Okay. And then yes, ada nak tanya kat sini.
Boleh zoom ke? Tak nampak.
Boleh.
Okay.
Nampak? Oh, dah discussion dah.
Nampak dah.
And then so this is second part, which is you need for the ANOVA, the most important is you need to find the normality of the data set first. So I will show you how to find the normal, how to determine the normal, the data set that you have normal or not. I think I not show you yet, right? How to make it normal or not. Alright, so maybe this Thursday lah, after we go there, and then we go back to the Excel to how to find the normality of the data set. And then hypothesis testing, once we decide to do ANOVA or Kruskal-Wallis, so you make the hypothesis and then suggest you tunjuk lah daripada result tu which is apa suggestion the best method lah. So kena pilih lah either one, tak boleh ambil dua-dua lah. Okay, you need to choose either one lah based on your data set. So maybe you one way ANOVA or maybe Kruskal-Wallis. So based on the suggestion, state the hypothesis and then test the evidence. Kan you klik sekali klik je kan, you dapat dah dia punya result. And then based the output yang you dapat tu, you buat explanation lah apa yang kita dapat based on the data set tu. Cuma Anderson Darling test statistic and p value ni nanti kita go through sekali lagi lah hari this Thursday, right? Situ dia untuk test something, ada benda dia nak test. Then we go to discussion. So also we have a 2 part, which is analysis for part 1. What is the major significance? A practice implication. So kalau kat sini you all tak nampak, so I think sama juga conclusion. So that kalau kat sini you tak nampak, you go to the rubric. So rubric, rubric mana? PDF. Okay, this is rubric. So rubric ni dia explain sikit satu-satulah by objective, variable, data method and so on. Make sure you ada dia punya elemen tu, you will get the result. I think ni example. Okay, kejap, sabar sekejap je, nak habis je, sikit je lagi. Okay, so you go through yourself here first, and then for those have already made a few things in your assignment too, and then maybe you want to present, and then we can start to present. Even you have do a few things, just a few things, but at least from that we can go together lah. We can go through one by one lah, like we practice before. Okay, boleh tak macam tu? So saya rasa kalau method tu lagi senang lah untuk saya trace the key dia, apa nak key yang untuk kita nak kena buat lah. Boleh So rubric lah paling penting ya, key dia you kena tengok rubric ni. Rubric ni apa dia punya ni. So and then tomorrow, until before you submit this assignment tu, you free to ask me, and then I will allocate my time, and we collect and then we present lah, so that we can you can score highest lah, because CA for the CA2, CA1 I cannot help you a lot, but for the assignment I can help you a lot. So I hope you make it based on the rubric, so it make easier to me to give you marks. Okay, boleh? But for the CA assignment 1, I will contact back lah if a few student which is not complete. Submission is not complete, I think. A lot of thing not right. I'm not sure why that's happened. Okay, I hope that's all for today. So try to start at least a few things, and then we start to present as before this lah, so that we can know the how to get a good score lah. Alright, itu saja. Thank you.